Okay, today we're doing an LG G2. As you can see, it's all cracked up. Typically, the touch does not work on the phone and you can't even turn it off. If they still have a full battery, then you'll have to manually turn it off. If they don't, then you don't have to obviously worry about it. So we're gonna get our opening tool here, pop out the SIM card, set that aside. And I just like to use just a regular metal tool to get around. You can use a plastic one, be a little bit more challenging. Fingernail works as well, just to pop off the back. So there's the plastic tool method as well. Just run your tool along here as the clips come undone. Sometimes it doesn't like to pop out. Take your tool, open it up, and run it along. Once again, my name is Dustin with TechMD. That's tech-md.com. We're making repair videos for our technicians and anyone who's interested in becoming a tech. You can just go to our website and check out the franchising info. Join our team and be part of a large movement of techs who want to work together to repair. This is
screws.
lots and lots of screws, yes. Use your tool to get under there, and I like just to pop it right off here. Careful of this piece, it likes to break on the Verizon model. Set that aside. Okay, now we can actually turn it off by pulling the battery right there. We're going to pop the Digitizer cable up. More unscrewing here. Today's video is done by a Samsung Galaxy S6. Okay, and pop that up. We'll pop the LCD cable up. Antenna. Move the antenna out of the way here. Keep someone coming back. Pop up the other Digitizer cable here. Make sure this is lifted up here, this piece here. Okay, now we're going to warm up this piece here. You want to have it come up all in one motion. If you do not do this, you risk breaking this piece. And replacing a $15 part is not fun. Nor is it easy either. It's a pain in the butt to replace this part. Nice and hot, get hot to touch. Probably about 6 seconds there. Just lift up. And then just move this out of the way. Okay, then we're going to take our knife here, pull this old tape up, out of the way. Lift this up carefully so that way we can salvage the screen and not rip that in between. Okay, now we have to take off the old display. We're going to get it hot to the touch all around. We have to rotate. Alright, dig in, keep it flat as possible, and lift a little bit. Get your tool underneath the backlight. As you can see here, I'm going to get it underneath. This cable, if you tear it, rip it, doesn't matter. It's that LCD cable you want to salvage. That way it can be remanufactured and reused and recycled. Better for the environment. Alright. Move your tool down here and just start breaking away this glass. Now we can pull it through. That's the LCD cable once again. The other cable broke off. This piece right here. But like I said, it's not a big deal because that's the digitizer cable. And so this is the LG G2 fully disassembled. As of today, Instagram, I started. So that's tell you how fresh I am. I don't know what's gonna be awesome and what's not. Okay. Alright, so we're going to get rid of all this old excess glue here. Did you find that?
What? Yeah. Oh, your phone turned off.
Oh. Hold on. Let me get this glue off my hands. Oh, I have to create an account?
Or you can type in if you have Facebook.
Oh. Or Google.
Yeah, or Google.
Asking me for my birthday, that's interesting. I don't want friends. Oh, that's awesome. Here, okay, I'll let you find it. Did the seat bite you?
I just smacked my knee.
Oh.
Can I use your instrument?
Yeah, second door on the right hand side. Twitter's the most baffling one for me, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, because I reach out to people like they have broken phones and stuff like that, and I'm like, hey, we can help, and they don't respond to me.
So, there's
It's like, okay.
this one that you can resize to fit any phone. That one that you can hook onto
Oh,
your
that
desk.
is awesome.
Do you want me to save it? So then
Yeah.
it will just be saved to your... Or there's this one. Like a little tripod one.
Yeah, maybe. To save that one too.
Okay.
Nice. How do you know about this stuff?
Yeah, just...
Shopping.
On Facebook and like, oh, that looks cool, and push on it, and like, and you spend a whole paycheck on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm all about the geek. I got the new LG Urban watch. It's pretty awesome. It's my first smartwatch, and you would not believe how handy it comes in. Not just for the watch, but for the notifications especially, and also using it as an alarm or a timer. The phone when it rings, it vibrates this if the phone's not nearby.
And then
Pretty nice.
it's not really like
No.
it's just like you can put your phone on if you're
Oh,
somewhere.
selfie stick?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I don't want that. We already got one of those. So take a little acetone here and clean off all the old adhesive with a microfiber rag. I'll buy them at Costco in bulk. So whose G2 is this?
Mine.
Yours. Oh, okay. What do you think of the G4?
It's awesome.
I know. Did you see the subtle curve on it?
Oh, this
Yeah.
one?
No, the phone is subtly curved, like subtly bent a little
When
bit.
we do the upgrade, we'll be able to get the G4s.
Oh yeah. Upgrade time soon, huh?
No, not for another year.
Not for another year. Well, by then their G5 will be out.
So
Yeah,
then
but then we get the G4, see?
Ah, okay. So go to the next lowest model,
Yes.
better priced, right?
Yeah. So when she cracked her screen, I didn't have the money to fix it at the time. And I called Verizon and I activated her old phone in the interim. Well, they never said anything about the insurance only having 60 days. So they wanted to charge me the cheapest phone was $140, $150. And it was just this cheesy phone. I said, I'm not going to give my daughter a
Yeah.
downgrade. And I said, it'll be cheaper just to go fix the screen. Because I think I called you back in March asking for pricing.
Yeah.
So,
How old are you, if you don't mind asking?
13.
Oh, okay. So you don't have no way of making money?
Well,
I'm gonna probably sell that for $400 to $450 by when the Note 5 comes out, which is gonna be like somewhere between like September and November. So if you can come up with the money, you can have it.
she is going to be.
You upgrade early is what it's called. It's
this
pretty
is
awesome.
for the Galaxy S5. It go flat or whichever way you want to record.
But only the Galaxy S5?
Yeah, that's like a.
See, I think I like the other one where it's adjustable clamp.
Oh, then this one adjustable. Yeah, this one's adjustable too.
I have it. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
White.
So, I have a Galaxy S6 that I'm not even using. That's my old phone from the new upgrade. I just literally just change out so fast and then I sell them to my customers when people want them.
This is cool.
But yeah, if you want the LG G4, I'll be selling it to get the Note 5 when it comes out. Okay, so what we're doing here is just replacing the glue. You can use adhesive, but it loves to lift with weather changes and yeah, it just doesn't work. So I like to use Gorilla Glue. It's good for glass and plastic. And all you do is just spread the glue around like I'm doing here. Make sure it's evenly spread as much as possible. You don't want to do too much or it'll bloat the screen upward. You have to have a nice thin coat. And that's the secret for pretty much what the manufacturers use. They use some sort of glue on a lot of the products now, not on the LGs, but I found that this works the best. And it keeps the phone the flattest.
There's that one too.
Save that one. That's cool.
Look, this thing's like, this thing's bend around.
I almost got it. What's this one called? This
Yeah.
app?
It's
like Wish,
It's
but-
like Wish, but
Oh, electronics.
electronics.
She just hooked you up.
Yeah.
Or I'm getting my.
You wouldn't believe at how many. I can't believe how many teens they just grab new stuff so fast and just move with it.
And there's the same kind of stuff like this one is the one I showed you. Where'd it go? I just lost it. Which one? Oh, this one? The one I showed you before was $9. This one is $7.
Oh yeah, see that's a really nice one there.
Yeah. And the shipping's only $2 too.
I'd like to use my iPhone 6 Plus to do it, but there's too many calls coming in to record.
I like the iPhone's cameras. They're really nice.
Yeah, that one's pretty good as well too. The
Yeah.
the G4.
Say the LGs have pretty good cameras.
Yep, that one has the 16. But my biggest problem is I run out of space so fast.
Mine too. I just, well, before that still.
Does it be really want to watch TV?
Hey, you can watch it anywhere now, okay?
Gosh, that's funny.
So we're just clipping everything back in. This is kind of the tricky part here. We want to remove the old adhesive right here and put a new coat of adhesive. So we're just gonna peel it off here.
Yeah, that's from good hair.
Yeah, your mom's still. Did you ever get her oils back? I'm sure the CSI people took them. Because they were gone that night
No, we had him that night.
after. At 4 o'clock in the morning. I thought we couldn't find
So
them.
just line up the adhesive underneath this piece here
Ones you wanted, because they were in the
and cut it off. Just a little
Did you
tiny
find her lunchbox?
piece,
There wasn't.
as you can see here.
her nightstand. Like, in her nightstand, you have those little photos in there. In the back.
Remove that. Glue that down. Come on.
That's awesome. Look how it has the camera, like a really nice camera. That's cool.
Dude, see, but then it's just worth getting the night.
Yeah.
The night on.
So we have to get her a camera.
Hey, put your
I want it.
mic back in here, into the hole there.
And she can just do the simple thing.
No, just kidding.
Want to do the expensive ones, but
So what do you think would be, so you use Instagram? No? Do you? So what do you think would be cool for a tech company like me to post on Instagram? Like, I'm thinking like broken phones and stuff, but I don't know. Because I'm trying to create a brand name, and that's pretty much what Instagram offers, I
Well,
guess.
I don't really know Instagram that well, but because my sister has it, or my stepsister. But I know because you can just create, like as your profile picture, you can have it as your name
Yeah,
as your
like
company.
your
Yeah.
your company. And
I
then
need
just
to
have
change
your
that
company,
actually.
And then just has like all the
Yeah.
Yeah, but what do you think would be photos that would people like, oh man, I broke my phone. That my phone looks just like that, or
Yeah.
yeah, I was thinking
That's
like,
what I would do.
you know, the whole idea of pictures is, you know, to like invoke an emotional response. So I'm thinking posting broken phones and fixed phones will do something. It's my pocket. All right, well, I still need to go somewhere after this.
Okay, well, you don't have to wait
When are you coming back?
in an hour.
Behind her.
Okay. What's that?
I think I'm parked behind her.
Oh, the white Jetta?
Oh,
No? Okay.
but it makes it nice that those are the screwdrivers
yeah.
magnetized.
Magnetized is very important. Yeah, sometimes I have to remagnetize the screwdriver.
Does it work?
I don't know.
So how did this poor phone take a dive?
I was cleaning out the case and I got a call and I think that was the weekend we were moving it actually. Like,
Oh,
I don't know.
After.
The weekend after, and people were leaving. I was saying bye, and I was hung up my phone
Just like that, huh?
and yep.
And she's usually so good with her phone, and she was really upset.
Butterfingers.
I mean, she's
I
had
don't
that
even know
phone
how-
for a year, and there's hardly any scratches on it, dents or dings or.
I don't even know how it felt because I was holding it like this too. I don't know. 'Cause Now every time I hold the phone, I'm like, do not pull it out.
Use both hands. Yeah, you know, phones can be pretty slippery. Sorry I couldn't get you a white screen, but you have an Oreo phone now.
Yeah.
You like Oreos?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Got the what? Double stuff. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Everyone thinks double stuff now, right? Nowadays. Do you want to get a tempered glass screen protector?
How much is that?
They're 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna say if we had my phone, we would do it too, but
So, and then the case I recommend is called Ballistic.
ballistic.
Yeah, BALLISTIC
Oh,
or something like that.
Are they expensive?
No, they're not too terrible. Like I sell them for 40.
Oh.
I sell them for 40, but you can get them online for like 20 and 20, 25. They're
Mom,
pretty good.
We'll have to look at those.
But I don't keep the LG G2 in because I only see maybe one of these a week, if that. Just not popular enough.
Well, if you ever get one in.
I
So
won't.
When I get my phone, can I bring mine up and put that on my new one?
Yeah, which phone?
The
Same.
one.
Oh, yeah.
Just black.
Mine's just black.
Yeah, just give me a call before coming down
Yeah, I'll set it.
to make sure I have one in stock. You got my business cards there?
Yes, got one now.
Okay.
See, these ones are good for recording too. Like the red one I showed you, the tripod stands are you can move them around. So if you need to set them anywhere.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, it's only $6 too. So.
$6. Okay, Zoe, I think you should be a salesperson for this stuff.
Yeah, no kidding, huh? Oh man, my new screen might not work. That sucks. Your phone does not like me. We gotta check the LCD connections.
Guess if you have iPads, it's kind of cool. If your kids want to watch a movie.
Ew. You're killing me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dominic, this is what you need.
What?
Your phone, because all the slides around.
You know what? I think I know what I forgot to do. Forgot to tape that down.
I do.
I think that's might be the problem. Maybe not. Essentially.
What?
Yeah, we love the touch screen, the
Yeah.
double click on, and everyone looks at their phone like, what are we supposed to do? How do we turn it on?
I know, because
And they're always trying to press the top or
yeah,
the
they're all
side.
looking around. They're like, yeah.
No luck, huh? Well, unfortunately, I was sent a bad screen, so I have to redo this. It happens.
And you can get nice phone cases on here too for really any phone that you're looking for. Except for those
These cases.
Yeah, I know. We need to either get one of these ones or one of these for our phone. That's
Dude,
Yep, it's officially bad.
normal.
so that screen is bad?
Yeah.
That's cute.
It's always frustrating when.
Can you send them back to the manufacturer?
Yep.
Are you going to?
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta pay for it.
Yeah, these things are not cheap.
That's why it costs so much to fix the screen.
I charge a lot to fix the screen because this phone is a pain in the ass. Because a fourth of the time there's some kind of warranty issue or like something's not working or It's such a pain in the butt phone. Like, one of my texts the other day did the LG G2, and it wouldn't turn on anymore. Replaced all kinds of things, and finally got down to the battery. Like, okay. And lo and behold, it was a stupid battery. A battery, of all things. So, yeah. Happens.
See, this is what you need to. So you can hold your phone with your GPS. Well, if I'm actually having to hold your phone and sitting there looking at it. Drop it. This is a really nice.
Okay. One more try.
Mom, this is a really nice phone.
Sure there's still enough glue. You like the G4?
Yes. And
See, if you go make some money somehow, don't ask me. I don't know how teenagers make money, but go make some money, then you can buy that phone for a really good price instead of outright.
And also what's nice about this app is that when you say something to your your wish list, I guess that's what it's called, it will tell you if it gets cheaper.
Yeah. And
Mm.
if it goes on sale.
Yeah.
Where is it these products being sold from? Like what? Is it the Geek? Are they selling it, or is it like on Amazon or something?
I'm not actually sure. I'm pretty sure it's a website like Amazon.
Okay, so they just direct people to the right spot.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the whole point of the app?
It says, well, the thing is we guarantee a safe and secure shopping experience so you never have to worry. So, whatever that means.
It means if you believe that,
And
you're not. Yeah, you're not very. You just have to wing it on the internet sometimes.
yeah. But my friend, she's ordered from this website and she got a Batman case, actually. But
Batman case, that's cool.
yeah, it was a really nice one, and it came in because it says like most of them say 14 to 15 day shipping,
Yeah.
and she said that it came and it's pretty nice. Except for she got paint on it. So now it's really
14 days shipping. That sounds like it's coming from China.
China. Yep.
So
That's
then it's
exactly what I was just gonna
then
say.
it's probably, and the shipping's pretty cheap too. Hey, that's cool. Look, it's a tripod thing that it wraps around the pole.
I try to avoid purchasing things from China. I like to support good old American companies. But sometimes you just can't buy stuff in America because it's not made like these parts.
They aren't made in.
Nope, they're made here, or they're made in China.
How much do you charge for tablets to be the screen to be fixed?
Well, there's no one general price.
Well, like,
Depends on the tablet.
It's an Apple.
Depends on the Apple.
an iPad.
What gen?
Isn't it?
Probably old.
So I'm guessing two or three.
Yeah, I wanna say
Second is
two.
70. Second gen, which is the most common one. So, I'm talking about
It's
just
cracked
broken.
pretty bad though.
But it still works.
See, if I was smart, I would have just tested this before assembling it. But I was not.
We were distracting you. by
Why is this so
talking.
dim? Do you love your settings really low?
Well,
I got it. I just fixed it.
Mom, it's a G4. You may, I think, keep burning up.
Like how many text messages she got before we switched it over.
It's all her boyfriends.
She doesn't have any.
No.
I seen 10 of them come up here. Boyfriend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't keep up with them. I'm sorry. Oh, was I not supposed to tell you? Sorry. Oh, man.
Way to go, Zoe. Secret time.
I'm glad I didn't have a daughter. I have a son. I mean, I wanted a daughter, but I'm like, I don't have to worry about every single boy on the planet. Just have to worry about him.
So do you live here?
Yeah. Yep. All right, retaping this.
I know, I'm just saying phone just like that. I don't want to save a bunch of stuff like I do on my phone.
I do.
Yeah, it's because I have like 2 of everything on my phone because it's like, oh, I like that, so I'll just save it again. Oh, I totally want this case down here.
It's a skateboard, bro. Let's see.
Half a skateboard.
Have this.
It'd be sitting like this. Hey, that'd actually be kind of nice. You're just like,
Yes.
And then
Step
you,
down
if you
again.
need to scoot it back, you can just slide it and then the wheels back.
it's kind of cool. Look, it's an elephant just holding your phone.
That's so cute.
Let's see.
Elephants.
It's only $1. What?
I always love it when people don't have a job and they say it's only this much. I have people I know that say that. Like, well, if it's only $8 and minimum wage is $7 and some odd cents or whatever, then you have to work for a whole hour.
Well, more, because it's only $7.25.
Yeah.
Well,
Plus, you know, minus your taxes and all that
Taxes,
junk.
yeah.
even
Right.
though I only say it's $1, I never get it because I don't want to order it. And I probably, most of the time I don't have money to get it, so. Yeah. But, if I go up to Granny's,
Dude, she pays good money.
she does.
You guys seen any good movies lately?
Last movie went as Avengers. That one's pretty good one.
Oh yeah. Didn't you go see like Pitch Perfect or something?
Oh yeah, I went to Pitch Perfect too.
Yeah.
But,
You did?
yeah,
Seth, want
So
to go see
got-
Pitch Perfect 2 with me?
Yeah.
so I got free tickets. Hey, I will go see it again because the
No.
Chinese lady that talks really small, someone would say something and everybody would laugh, and then she said something and I don't even hear what she said. So
Aw. Okay. I think we're finally game on here. Yes.
I'm at the bottom of the dump. Oh, right. Back and. No.
So that will help it so it doesn't crack, right?
Correct.
So it will
But you
not
gotta have a
crack.
case to protect the corners.
Yeah, she's
Because this does the front. Okay, good.
And then
You're a football fan?
yeah.
Oh, okay. How bizarre.
Also with
She's a little tomboy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have guessed it.
Also
That's
with Geek, there's like random items like speakers and mostly just stuff for your phone and that kind of stuff,
Cool.
and headphones for pretty cheap. And